To me, what really matters is service. I want to serve people. I want to help people.
Why is it that this lesson to serve is very hard to find in this world?
We don't want the world to serve. We want the world to consume. We want the world to achieve, because if they don't achieve, they don't consume. If they don't consume, we run out of business. When we are at the receiving end of service, somebody selflessly serves us, we know what that feels like. It strikes a chord deep there within our souls. It's not the mind, it's not the ego, it's not the intellect. So we know what it feels like, and we know what it feels like when we serve others. So it's just a matter of putting these two together. People have that experience and now creating that narrative, and that's how a revolution can happen.
Talk to me about guilt. Talk to me about your father.
Oh, that's a story. That's a story, man. My mom's looking at this saying, come on, son, you can't be doing this to him. Dad's really in a bad shape. It'd be good if you could come see him. And that year he said to me, son, would you mind bringing the recordings of your lectures in London for me? That was like a joyful moment for me. And in just about 2 or 3 weeks, my mom calls me and says, Dad's gone. He's gone. And that's what happens with a lot of our lives. We lose those opportunities to reconcile. Saying a sorry really doesn't mean you're wrong. It just means that you value the person and the relationship more than being right. We have a generation of youngsters who are very authentic. We have a generation who really believes in purpose. #purpose is probably the highest used hashtag. They may or may not understand what it means fully yet. They may or may not know it very well. They may not know the nuances of it. But they have the willingness to live by purpose.